Hi children, in the previous video we discussed the problems up to 3, right? Optional, challenging optional problems. So up to 3 we discussed. So in this video we are going to discuss the problems from 4 onwards. Okay. So let us see that fourth question. If log 3, actually here like this one form is there, means this is the meaning of log 3 power is. Okay, just actually we are reading this one as, actually we will read this one as log m base a, right? So like that only at the place of m, here another log form is there. That is the meaning of this one. Okay, so like that way we have to read, but we have to write like this, in this manner only we have to write it. Okay, so just observe that one. So here they given that log 3, here log 6 and here x square plus x by x minus 1. So how we will read this one? Log of log x square plus 1, sorry, x square plus x by x minus 1 to the base 6 and base 3. Okay, so which is equals to 0 they are saying. Okay, so here we have that log 3, base 3 is there, no? So this one also convert into that log base 3, and we know that 3 power 0 is equals to 1. Shall we write like that? Why? Because here base 3 is there, no? So that's why I taken here 3 power 0 is equal to 1. So while you are writing that log form, log 1 base 3 is equal to 0. Yes or no? That one only, no transformation here. So that's why apply that concept here, then you will get that log base 3 here. So log of x square plus x by x minus 1 to the base 6, which is equals to here 0. So at the place of 0 shall we write this one? Yes. So log 1 base 3. Okay, so both sides also we are having that same base along with that log is there, means we can remove that, not cancellation, just we have to remove that log. Okay, so that's why just remove that log base 3 and here log base 3. Okay, so here these powers are equal. If the bases are equal, then their exponents are must be equal. We know that condition. So according to that condition, here we can write that log of x square plus x by x minus 1 to the base 6, which is equals to here log 3 and log 3 bases, no? So we have to remove that. So what is the power at the place of power? Here we have that 1. Okay, now again here this is, again we have that logarithmic form. So again we have to remove that logarithmic form. That's why here we can write that log 6 base 6 is equal to 1. We know that condition. Why? Because here we taken 6, because here base is 6. Okay, that's why we taken here log 6 base 6 is equal to 1. Okay, so this one we can write it as log x square plus x by x minus 1 base 6 is equal to log 6 base 6. At the place of 1, just we substituted that value. Okay, so which is equals to again log 6 and log 6. That log 6 is there on both sides of that is equal to sign, right? So that's why again we have to remove that, not cancellation. Okay, logarithm we should not cancel, just we have to remove that logarithm. So log 6 just we have to remove it. So here you will get it as x square plus x by x minus 1 is equal to 6. Just I am removing that log to the base 6 and log to the base 6, just we removed that. Okay, so here x square plus x by x minus 1 is equal to 6. Okay, now simplification. Here onward simplification, already you know that what is that x square plus x by x minus 1 is equal to 6. So simplify this. So x square plus x is equal to 6 into x minus 1. Just cross multiplication. So from this one, x square plus x is equal to 6 into x is equal to 6x minus 6 into 1 is equal to 6. So after that x square plus x plus 6x become as minus 6x, minus 6 become as plus 6, which is equals to 0. Clear? So here x square plus x minus 6x is equal to minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so from this one here factorization we know that, right? Already we discussed in that algebraic equations. So how to do that factorization for this one? Here x square minus, we can write this one as minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Why? Because minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. So 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Okay, by using that factorization. Okay children, so x, from these two terms also x is in common, right? So take that x as common. So x square is there, from that x square already we taken x as common, so that's why only one time of x is there, minus 3 into x already we taken x as common, so that is x minus 3 minus, from these two terms we can take that minus 2 as common. Okay, so the leftover ones x minus we taken common, no, so minus into minus is equal to plus, so that's why here keep that minus 3 which is equal to 0. Okay, so from this one x minus 3 is in common, no, from these two terms here x minus 3 is in common, so take that x minus 3 as common. Here the leftover term is x minus 2 which is equal to 0. So from this one x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here x minus 3 is equal to 0, no, so x is equal to minus 3 become as plus 3, and x minus 2 is equal to 0, no, so that's why x is equal to plus 2. So what are the values of x here? Here we got the two values. Okay, one is 2, another one is 3. Okay children, so here by observing that options, here 2 is not given in that option. Okay, 3 is given in that options, no, so that's why we will go for that option C. Okay, so what is that answer? Answer is 3. Okay, so for this type of questions, first we have to convert that. Conversion is very important here. Okay, so to convert that, first we have that basic knowledge of that logarithm. Basic knowledge of logarithm means in that first video I told you that how to take that logarithms and how to convert logarithms into exponential form. Already we discussed, no. So if you have that basic idea, then you can convert it. Okay, so again I am saying you that here 0 is equal to 0 is there, means first we need to convert this RHS to the base of 3 logarithm we have to take. Okay, after this process here we are getting that 1, so that's why still we have that only one side logarithm is there. Okay, to remove that logarithm we have to apply logarithm on both sides. Okay, if you apply logarithm on one more time, means again you will get the same equation. So that's why we have to remove the logarithms. That's why we need to write that RHS in the form of logarithm with the same base what that LHS is having. Okay, so after this one here we are getting that simple equation x square plus x by x minus 1 is equal to 6. So after that one converted into quadratic equation, and we know that quadratic equation how to take that factors. Okay, factorization process. So after completion of this one, here we are getting two values. Okay, out of two values, one of the value given in that option, so that's why we went for that option. Okay, so next question. Yes, see here, log xy base 3 is equal to 2. Log x by y base 1 by 3 is equals to 2. Then, okay, then that condition they are asking what is the value of x and what is the value of y. At what values these two conditions are satisfying they are asking. Okay, so see here, log of xy to the base 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so just write that exponential form of this one. Okay, why? Because why, madam, always how we can know that how to convert logarithmic form into exponential forms or exponential forms into logarithmic forms. Here just keep one thing in your brain, that is given question is in that logarithmic form, but according to that options they are asking x value, y value. So when we will get that x value, y value? If you change that logarithmic form into exponential form, then only we can find that single x values, variable values. Okay, so that's why, which is equals to 3 square is equal to xy. Okay, so we can write this one as xy is equal to 3 square is nothing but 9. Okay, so after that, so xy is equal to 9 means we can take that so many options. One is 1 into 9 and 3 into 3, 3 3 is a 9. Okay, or 9 into 1. So 3 ways we can find that. So what is the value of x and what is the value of y? How we can say that? Okay, here two possibilities there, right? So out of two possibilities, which one we can take? Either x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 9, or x is equal to 9, y is equal to 1. Another option, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So how many options, how many possibilities there? 3 possibilities there. But 3 possibilities satisfies here. Maybe satisfies or not, we don't know that. That's why we have to check that another condition. Okay, so what is the another condition here? Log of x by y to the base 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Okay, so again convert this one into exponential form. So 1 by 3 whole square is equal to x by y. 1 by 3 whole square is equal to x by y. So which is equals to 1 by 3 whole square is nothing but 1 by 9 is equal to x by y. 1 by 9 is equal to x by y. Okay, so by observing this one, why I told you that here 3 into 3 is possible or not, we don't know, I am saying no. Why? Because here whenever they given two conditions, what values we got, that two values also must and should satisfy the two conditions. Not only two conditions, if they will give three conditions or more. Okay, whatever it may be, that value what we got answer, that value must be satisfies that all the given conditions. Okay, so that's why. So here x by y, this is in the form of x by y. So by observing this one, what is the value of x here? 1. What is the value of y? 9. Understood? So that's why here which option is correct? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 9, or x is equal to 9, y is equal to 1. Here you can change that any value. Okay, but here they given that x by y, that is in the form of 1 by 9, no? So that's why x is equal to 1, y is equal to 9 we taken. So which option is correct? Yes, option D is correct. That is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 9. Am I clear, children? Yes. So let us see the next question. Yes, see here. This is also very important question. So listen carefully. So see here what they given. Log 2 is equal to A. Log 3 is equal to B, log 7 is equal to C. Actually those are the given conditions. And here they are saying that 2 power x into 3 power x plus 4 is equal to 7 power x. Then the value of x in terms of ABC. Okay, here two different conditions there. One of the condition that is in the form of ABC terms, another condition which is in the form of x terms. Now they are asking what is the value of x in terms of ABC. Understood? So how to find? So first I am going to take that this condition ma. Okay, so what is that condition? 2 power x into 3 power x plus 4 is equal to 7 power x. Okay, so see here. Here power x is there, here also power x is there. So I am going to take this one as 3 power x plus 4 is equal to 7 power x by 2 power x. Am I correct? Why? Because here power x is there, here also power x is there, and these two are in multiplication, no? So multiplication become as division. So that's why. So 3 power x plus 4 is equals to 7 by 2 whole power x. Okay ma? So now apply that log on both sides. Log to the base 10. Just apply that log to the base 10 on both sides of the equation. So log 3 power x plus 4 to the base 10 is equal to log 7 by 2 whole power x to the base 10. Okay. Now here just observe that 3 power is there, no? So that's why this one we can write it as x plus 4 into log 3 to the base 10, which is equals to, here 7 by 2 whole power x is there, no? So that's why here this is x into log 7 by 2 to the base 10. Clear? So after this one how to write? I'll tell you, see that. So this one we can write it as x log 3, x into log 3 base 10 plus 4 into log 3 base 10. Just I did that multiplication, which is equals to x into, this one we can write it as log 7 to the base 10 minus log 2 to the base 10. Yes or no? Okay. So which is equals to x into log 3 base 10, not required to write, just for your understanding I am writing, 4 log 3 is equal to x log 7 minus x log 2. This equation we got it. Okay. Now observe that here x terms there, here x terms there, and here also one of the x term is there. So just convert that term into that RHS. Okay. Then what you will get here? So 4 log 3. So just so here you better to substitute that values instead of log 2, log 3, log 7. Log 3, log 7, log 2. Already those values we know that, right? So just to substitute those values. So x into log 3 is b. Okay. Plus 4 into, here log 3 means again that is b, which is equals to x into log 7 is c minus x into log 2 is a. Okay. So which is equals to 4b is equal to, this one we can write it as c into x, cx minus a into x, ax, plus xb is equals to, that one become as minus bx. Okay. So from this one we can take that 4b is equal to, from these all terms also we have that x is in common, no? So take that x as common. Okay. So after we are having c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b. Okay. Now what value they are asking? X value they are asking. So x is equals to 4b. Here x and c minus a minus b, that is in multiplication, no? So multiplication become as division. So 4b by c minus a minus b. So this is the value of x in terms of ABC. Did you understand that? Okay, very easy only. If you apply that conditions in each and every step properly, then you will get that answer easily. Okay. So what they are asking, what is the value of x in terms of ABC? Okay, children. So once again say that here first we taken that 2 power x into 3 power x plus 4 is equal to 7 power x. Okay. After we taken that 7 power x is there, here also x term is there, no? So that's why here we taken that division form. After we applied that exponential rules, after that we just applied log to the base 10, or we can apply that log on both sides also. Why? Because without writing 10 also we can consider it as base 10 only, no? Okay. So that's why. So after this process, you know that by using that conditions, by using that laws of logarithms, we can find this. So finally we got that the x value in terms of ABC. Okay. So did you understand this? Yes, I hope you understand this one. So children, in this video we discussed that 4, 5, 6 problems. Okay. In that next video we will discuss that leftover problems. Okay. Thank you.